Here is a quick and easy recipe for these breakfast muffins. We are starting with 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and then about 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper, and then half teaspoon of onion powder, basil and thyme. Give that a little stir. Add in about 40 milliliters of olive oil. And then vegetables, here I have broccoli, corn, peas, and carrot. About 2 cups of all that together. And then add half cup of soy milk, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Mix it all together. And add half more cup of soy milk. And just mix it well. And then oil a muffin pan and add 2 tablespoons of the mixture into each muffin. And we're going to bake that at 170 Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes. And that's it, super quick and easy, I told you.